Okay, in this session, we'll learn about this error and an unexpected error while opening this desktop application. If we got this type of error, we need to follow some steps. For that, I will for that we'll note it down one by one, step by step. Okay. To fix this error, first we need to check in services.mic whether the Docker desktop app is running or not. For that, we have to open the run command, uh, run console, and we have to type services.msc. And after clicking the open, it will open all the services which are running in our local system. We have to go into the Docker. This is the Docker app which is running now, and we can execute if we want. We can execute some commands from here like stop Docker service, start, restart, or resume. Like that, we can execute some commands from the services portal as well. And yeah, this is the first step. And after checking this, we see that Docker desktop is running right. And second step, we have to check whether the virtualization is enabled or not under the task manager. For that, we need to search with the name task manager under your search in your local system. It will open this console. We have to go into the performance. So here we see that virtualization is enabled, which is good actually. And this is step 2. And and step 3, we have to check whether Hyper-V and Windows subsystem for Linux is enabled or not. For that, we need to go to search for features. We have to go to this option, turn Windows features on and off. Okay, it will route into this window. At here, we need to make sure that this Hyper-V all options are enabled or not. Initially, it is not enabled. We have to enable it, and also we in this option like Windows subsystem for Linux should be enabled. Once this done, we will click on OK. And fourth step fourth step, we have to connect to, we have to open PowerShell on our local system as admin mode, and we have to run this below command. For that, I'm opening this PowerShell. I'm running it as an administrator. It will ask us acceptance, and we have to accept it. And later after that, we have to run this command. I will give this command in the description as well, and click on OK. So once this command ran, it will show the operation completed successfully. What does this command says about BCD? It like BCD stands for boot configuration edit, boot configuration data, and we are editing and setting this hypervisor launch type tag to or flag to auto mode. Okay, so once we got this operation successfully completed, then we have to restart our system, and then after that we have to check whether uh, our Docker desktop application is running or not. It automatically it will run actually. So we'll restart now our system.